Tired of Clockify feeling like a chaotic free-for-all? Let's transform that into a smooth learn operation by creating an administrator account. First, log into your existing Clockify account. You'll need to be an admin already to grant these privileges. Once you're in, navigate to the admin tab located in the left-hand menu. It usually has a gear icon next to it. Now, click on the users section here. You'll see a list of everyone in your workspace. Find the user you want to promote to administrator, hover over their row, and you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Simply select the Make Admin option from the list. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure. Carefully review the user's name to ensure you're promoting the correct person. If everything looks right, click Make Admin and that's it. The user is now an administrator, granting them access to all the powerful controls within Clockify. They will now have admin written under their name. Your new admin can now manage workspace settings, control user permissions, set up integrations, and much more. This enhanced control allows for streamlined team administration. Congratulations, you've successfully created a Clockify administrator. Now your team can track time more efficiently than ever before. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Clockify tips and tricks.